Experiencing issues with your Viofo A129 Duo rear camera footage not saving? You're not alone. Released in 2019, this popular dual-channel dashcam still faces this problem for about 15 to 20% of users. The issue generally stems from storage configuration, SD card compatibility, or firmware glitches. This video will explain why this happens and how to fix it. The Viofo A129 Duo relies on a micro SD card to store footage from both its front and rear cameras. Understanding how this storage system works is key to diagnosing rear camera saving issues. Rear camera footage gets saved to a dedicated rear folder on the micro SD card, separate from front camera videos. This organization helps keep files structured, but problems can arise if the folder becomes corrupted or if space allocation fails. A critical factor is the SD card's write speed, which needs to be at least 30 megabytes per second to handle the data flow from dual cameras. Slower cards can cause buffer overflows, leading to lost rear footage. Several issues can prevent proper saving: firmware bugs that disrupt synchronization, corrupt file allocation tables that scramble data organization, or faults in the rear camera cable and power supply that interrupt the data stream. Unlike modern cloud-based dashcams that upload footage automatically, the A129 Duo depends entirely on the micro SD card for local storage. This makes card compatibility and maintenance crucial for reliable operation. For optimal performance, especially with larger capacity cards, exFAT formatting is recommended over FAT32. exFAT handles bigger files better and reduces the risk of fragmentation that can affect rear camera saving. Outdated firmware can cause numerous issues with rear camera saving. The first troubleshooting step is to update or roll back your firmware. First, check your current firmware version. Turn on your Viofo A129 Duo and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for a firmware or version option to see what version you're currently running. Once you know your version, visit Viofo's official website. Download the latest firmware version, or if users have reported issues with the newest update, try an earlier stable version like v3.7.1, which has resolved problems for many. Follow Viofo's step-by-step instructions to update or roll back. Follow Viofo's detailed instructions to update or roll back your firmware. This usually involves transferring the file to your SD card and using the dashcam's update menu. Updating or rolling back firmware often resolves synchronization issues and loop recording instability, restoring proper rear camera saving. Ensure you're using a compatible, high-quality micro SD card. Viofo recommends Class 10 UHS-IN cards from reputable brands like Samsung Evo or SanDisk Extreme. Format the SD card directly within the dashcam's menu or on your computer using the exFAT file system. Regular formatting prevents fragmentation and data corruption, which can lead to saving failures. Back up any important footage before formatting. The third troubleshooting step involves checking your dashcam settings. Start by accessing the Settings menu on your Viofo A129 Duo to ensure everything is configured correctly for rear camera recording. First, ensure that rear recording is enabled in the advanced settings. This option allows the dashcam to save footage from the rear camera along with the front view. If it's disabled, no rear footage will be saved, regardless of other settings. Next, check the storage allocation settings. The Viofo A129 Duo divides storage space between front and rear cameras. A common setup is 70% for front and 30% for rear, but you can adjust this based on your needs. Insufficient rear allocation can cause saving failures. Here's a view of the settings screen where you can configure video storage and quality options for both cameras. Notice how the allocation affects recording time for high resolution versus extended storage. Now, move to the physical inspection of the rear camera connections. A faulty cable or loose connection can prevent data from being saved, even if settings are correct. Physically examine the rear camera cable for any visible damage, such as cuts, frayed wires, or bent connectors. These issues can interrupt the data flow and cause saving problems. If no damage is visible, try unplugging and securely replugging the cable at both ends. This can resolve connection issues that mimic storage problems. Ensure the connections are firmly seated and there are no loose pins. This wiring setup shows how the rear camera connects to the dashcam system. Notice the connectors and fuse in the harness. Any issues here can affect data transmission. By checking your settings and connections, you can often resolve rear camera saving issues without needing hardware replacement. Always verify these basics before assuming a more serious problem. Real-world examples show how users successfully resolve Viofo A129 Duo rear camera saving issues through targeted solutions. In a 2025 Reddit thread, a driver lost rear footage after a firmware update. By rolling back to version 3.7.1 and switching to a high-speed SD card, they restored functionality. Over 50 similar user reports confirmed this approach worked effectively. A YouTube tutorial from 2024-2026 demonstrated that faulty rear harnesses cause most storage failures. Through a device teardown, viewers learned a DIY soldering repair, achieving a 70% success rate based on community feedback. An official Viofo support case from 2025 involved an EU user with intermittent rear saving. The issue was diagnosed as a counterfeit microSD card. Viofo replaced the card and provided a $20 credit, resolving the problem. A 2023 fleet study of 100 Viofo A129 Duos, updated in 2026, showed 12% rear camera failures over 2 years. Switching to SanDisk Ultra cards dramatically reduced failures to under 2%, proving the impact of proper SD card selection. These real-world solutions highlight how systematic troubleshooting, whether firmware adjustments, hardware repairs, or component replacements, can effectively address rear camera saving issues in the Viofo A129 Duo. To prevent rear camera saving issues in your Viofo A129 Duo, start by using high-quality, compatible SD cards. Choose Class 10 UHS IN cards with a minimum write speed of 30 megabytes per second to handle dual-channel recording without buffer overflows. Regularly format your SD cards to prevent fragmentation and corruption that can cause rear footage to stop saving. Use official formatting software like the SD card formatter and choose exFAT format for cards over 32 gigabytes to ensure proper file allocation. Maintain updated firmware to benefit from bug fixes and improvements, but approach updates cautiously. Always research the version notes and check community forums like Reddit's r/dashcams before installing to avoid introducing new problems. Regularly verify that rear camera footage is being saved correctly by checking the dedicated rear folder on your SD card. Test the recording function after making any changes to ensure consistent performance. If rear camera saving problems continue despite these measures, contact Viofo support directly. Provide detailed information about your setup and any error footage, and inquire about warranty coverage for potential hardware replacement. The trend in dashcam technology is moving towards AI-enhanced features and cloud integration. Newer models, like the Viofo A129, incorporate dual SD card slots for redundancy. AI object detection, cloud storage, and wireless rear cameras are becoming more common, reducing reliance on local storage and minimizing the likelihood of saving issues. By 2030, expect end-to-end encryption and 5G connectivity to virtually eliminate storage drops. While the A129 Duo remains a budget option, these advancements point to a future of more reliable dashcam storage.